All right, on Saturday we're going to do some silks and their partners. Now we don't have a lot of any of this, and I apologize, but we just want to clean up on these last few pieces. This first one is a Ralph Lauren silk. It's really a beautiful blue. It's got a milk background to it. It's a lovely piece of fabric. It's just a really beautiful. These we're doing at $24.99. Let's see, they're just beautiful. I put in here a companion piece that I felt like went really with it well, especially when you could just really, this is a crepe back satin. It's a cotton poly, but it's beautiful draped. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. I felt like those two looked really beautiful together. This is gorgeous for like a little scarf. Oh, just, you know, you got it. Then I have these two companion pieces. Again, in fact, they're being sold as one piece. This is a panel. You can see the colors there are everything that's current. The lavender, the red, the pink, and the yellow on a black floral background. Beautiful silk, reversible both sides. One panel has the 4 stripes and the solid yardage, 100% silk, and then the sheer is exactly the same. The same colors, four stripes, and then a sheer panel. Now there's only like 2 3/4 yards of each of these, so there's really quantity of one because you'll buy the whole piece or the whole piece. But just beautiful companions. As you all know, the companion silks right now are very, very popular, where the blouse is done in one and then the sleeves are the sheer or other things. This is a companion piece to the last one. This is again a crepe back satin, very popular right now. Beautiful drape. This is a cotton poly. I did a skirt out of it, but it's just simply gorgeous. And then this is the companion piece of, I just think they're beautiful together. And we know what we know is silks, and beautiful silks are really popular right now. So you can see this one has the colors and the drape, all the spring colors, the pinks, the blues, the greens. It's just beautiful. All right, so we have it. Not a lot today, but you know, the power is in numbers. All right, you know the goal. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.